guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this literally quick wig install, y'all. It was like at the last minute, and we just needed to throw something on her head because we was about to go somewhere. So she had like those little twist things in the front, so really all I did was pull them back, and I braided the rest of her hair down, slit back her edges, and I pinned down the little rubber band thingies at the top. It's gonna look flat in the end. So this is a 10-inch 4x4 bob wig, and yeah, I did good. But y'all, guess what happened? In the middle of me doing her hair, tell me why my flat iron broke. Literally the only one I had up there at the shop. But I ordered another one from Pretty in a Minute. You know, yeah, I love their flat iron. Their 2-inch keratin treatment flat iron. But yeah, in the middle of me, it really broke. So all you see me doing now is applying makeup to her cap, and I did put a cap on. To her wig, but I did put a cap on that was darkening her skin tone because again, we're on a time crunch, so we had to get it done. So after you do that, all you want to do is glue it down. I use BLY Active for this install, and I'm just doing a little bit extra plucking on her head. But I use BLY Active for this install, and I use 3 layers. And right now, you see me putting on the lace tape. I get a lot of questions about where I get my lace tape from. I get it on the house store, y'all. Literally, just go in the house store and ask for lace tape, and they should be able to give it to you. Some of them be taxing. I ain't finna lie, but you know, whatever helps. Also, another common question I get is, what is the lace tape for? The lace tape is used to basically protect your edges from the glue. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. When I first started doing wig installs, I did not know what I was doing. I used to get a whole bunch of glue on my edges. I didn't know how to take them off properly. Like, y'all, I was really ripping out my edges. But as time came, I was educating myself more on like wig installs and takedowns and stuff like that, because if I'm doing hair, I should be able to have my client's hair growing, not pulling it out. So I figured if I use lace tape, most of the glue, not saying all of it, but most of the glue is going on the tape, so I really shouldn't have no problem with none of my edges going out. Yeah, I tried it on myself and it worked. So it actually is, it's for a reason. I seen somebody say I just use it for no reason, but no, it's for a reason, and that's the reason why, because you're supposed to try to save your client's hair. So right here, I'm not really straightening it bone straight, but I'm just trying to get it straight enough to get the cut that I want. We just doing a blunt cut, y'all, like a little bit shorter to get rid of the straggly ends, basically. But y'all, it's after all of this is when my flat iron want to break. So this is a lesson learned right here. I just need to start basically doing it bone straight right before I even do my cut. Even though I know you're supposed to do it that way. But yeah, y'all. Here you can see some of the straggly ends that I was really talking about. So all I'm doing is cutting, trying to even all of that up. So I know y'all still see that steam over there, y'all. This is around the time my flat iron started going out. So I was trying to, like, you know, flat iron in big sections because it really wasn't getting, like, I think it goes up to 450 and I usually keep it on the highest settings. But y'all, we made it work though. It still looked good in the end. But I just know the results would have came out a million times better if the flat iron didn't, like, I dropped y'all, that's the reason why I broke, but I know it would have came out a million times better if it just would have been, you know, right the whole time. And the reason why I'm saying this because I'm not one of them stylists to try to hide nothing. I'm gonna point out my mistakes, and that was one of my mistakes. I should have had a backup to make everything work out better. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on my socials down below. And this is the final outcome. Tell me what you guys think. I love you guys.